guy right here. This guy is truck driver, you see that? Everybody complain about life hard. Look at him with a wheelchair. This guy is in a wheelchair driving a truck. When he goes into the truck, see that? When he goes into the truck, he breaks the wheelchair apart. See that? Now, nobody is supposed to complain about life hard. Yeah, and you have all the faculties. You understand? Well, look at him. Look how creative he is. See that? See that? See that? He went to the back of the truck, opened the door. Now he's going to dismantle it, pull up his wheelchair in the truck. See that? See him take off one of the wheels. Take off the next wheel and dismantle his wheelchair. And then go turn around and drive his truck back up into the dock. See him? So there's no excuse for failure, man. No excuse whatsoever. See that? Driving a truck. I mean, it's an automatic truck. He probably have the controls at his hands. Because as you could see, his feet, he can't have control over him foot them like a normal person. So he might be steering and driving with his hands. See there? Back up in truck in the dock. See there? Back right up in the dock. Back right up in the dock. No excuse for failure. I've seen guys with trucks with handicap stickers, but I've never seen a guy literally